Hello again. The first weekend of winter, but it's actually going to be a little less cold than it's been throughout much of autumn. Well, certainly the last week of autumn. Cloudier skies, however, less sunshine, but the clouds shouldn't give very much rainfall. It's going to be dry much of the time. It's actually a chilly night to come on Friday night. Skies clearing across the southern half of the UK, a frost developing in places, but thicker cloud across northern and western areas will tend to keep temperatures just above freezing in most towns and cities. At least in the countryside, we'll still see a fresh start to Saturday, still see a touch of frost. So a chilly start, but not quite a widespread frost compared to the last few days. Some sunshine first thing, particularly for southern areas, and as we go through the morning, a greater number of cloud breaks across eastern England and a little bit later on eastern Scotland. But in general, across the map, there'll be more cloud in the sky. It's northern and western areas that will see the thickest cloud, and here there'll be some rain at times. Increasingly damp for northern Scotland, and the wind picking up here, making it feel quite cool actually in the far north. And on the whole, temperatures aren't exactly going to be toasty, but they will be a couple of degrees milder compared to recently, and we'll have lost that Arctic biting wind. Winds will generally be lighter, although the winds will strengthen behind this cold front through Saturday night into the far north of Scotland. And the cold front itself brings southwards an area of cloud and generally light outbreaks of rainfall. Clearing skies behind the front, but we're not going to be plunged back into the particularly cold air. The blue there marking the cold air, it becomes confined to the far north. Nevertheless, a chilly start in the north on Sunday morning, a touch of frost in places, but actually Scotland and northern England doing better in terms of sunshine on Sunday. A much brighter day to come here, and most places dry. However, a dull, damp start across southern parts of England, Wales and Northern Ireland. Outbreaks of rain continuing for a time on Sunday, but most places should brighten up and dry up by the afternoon. And Sunday afternoons looking fairly decent across the board. Sunny spells, light winds and temperatures just nudging up a little bit once again.